Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the NavShip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button and go to the first option, the language. And here you can select a different language, dance, Italiano, or Svenska, and author, and just select a language and click that and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.